name's Roger McMenamin. I'm here to talk about workplace injuries. My wife always explains to me that I use legalistic terms when I'm talking to clients. Well, I'm going to be guilty of that in spades today. We're going to talk about causality. In other words, does an injury arise in the course and scope of your employment, and is it related thereto? It's a lot of legal terms about a very simple concept. We've talked in previous podcasts about what an injury is. Injury, of course, is something that takes place. You get injured at work. It's a work-related injury. Very simple. I'll give you an example. You're climbing a ladder. You fall off a ladder. You break your arm. Obviously, it's a work-related injury. However, things can be more complex than that. Same scenario. You fell, you break your arm. Arm's a work-related injury. But you wake up a few days later and you have tingling in your hands. Is the injury causally related? Is it related to the actual work activity? We need a medical expert in these circumstances who's qualified to talk about these issues. Nerve damage from broken arms. Let's take it a step further. You have work activities that we believe are work-related that have brought on problems. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a classic example of this. You have a situation where you're waking up every morning and your hands are tingling and in pain. And you're wondering, why is this happening? Why am I having these weird sensations? Well, maybe that you're using a jackhammer at work. Vibratory tools are known to bring on carpal tunnel syndrome. Or you're doing fine manipulation all day long, working at a hot dog factory, for instance. And your hands are numb when you wake up. Work-related, causally related. Let's take it one step further. The Supreme Court in the Krawchuk case back a few years back indicated the onset of an injury doesn't even need to take place on the job. For example, you're out all day in the cold. We just had a snowstorm. Shoveling snow, clearing ice, clearing driveways. What do doctors and cardiologists warn people about? Heart attacks when working outside. Well, you've done that all day, you get home, you relax, and you have a heart attack. Could be that the heart attack you had at home was related to the work activity you've been doing all day. So, suffice it to say, consult a lawyer, talk to a doctor. If you believe a condition is work-related, notify your employer immediately. It pays to know your rights. Good day, everyone. Thanks for listening.